So if you have a computer and you want to make an exact copy of its hard drive contents and place it in an external hard drive, and this external hard drive will not only be a copy but an exact copy where it is bootable and usable. Stick around, I'm going to do that in this video. When you do the clone, you're going to need a hard drive and an adapter. The newer NVMe hard drives take the adapter shown here, and the SATA hard drive also needs an adapter, but in this video, I'm going to be working with the NVMe hard drive. Also, just want to add, just in case if anyone was wondering, like what the heck does this do by doing a clone? Like what can we do with a clone? Well, one of the reasons why I needed to transfer the internal contents of the computer of the PC to the external hard drive. So I suspected that the hard drive, the actual physical hard drive, was causing some issues with the PC. And so I wanted to replace it. Instead of putting in a new hard drive and then just reinstalling everything of like reinstalling the Windows operating system as well as all of the other settings, I just went and did a clone or a copy of the hard drive and replaced it that way. I just want to show real quick how to plug everything in, just in case if you're not familiar with it. So to start, you would use one of these adapters here. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're going to be using the newer hard drive types, the NVMe, you're going to be needing this adapter. So you would get this adapter here, connect it to a USB port. And then you would get your hard drive, you would connect it. And if you had a hard drive like this one, it would be the same setup. You would just need to get an adapter for this one. Then you would get the cloning software, which is going to be on a USB flash drive, which you would connect it here. Or maybe connect it to the back. Then after you have everything set up and plugged in, then you would just power on the computer, run the computer, and I'm going to show you in the next parts of the video to the next steps. Alright, so before you start the software Clonezilla, you might have to change the storage operation settings to AHCI in the BIOS. If the setting is not at the correct settings, the software won't see the hard drive and you can't do the clone. For this Dell computer, the setting is located under storage and SATA NVMe operations. So now, after you start the software, just let it load. It's going to ask for keyboard configurations. I left mine at defaults. At this screen, I select device-device. Then here I selected beginner mode. Then I select disk to local disk clone. Then here I would select the correct hard drive. Then after that, let the software work and perform the transfer.